Hi, I'm Nia. I'm a clinical nurse specialist in bariatric surgery at Morriston Hospital.
My name's Sioned Quirke. I'm the professional manager for the weight management services at an Eyre in Bevan Health Board.
Hi, I'm Pamela Bland. I'm here as a patient of the specialist weight loss clinic in Abervale. I've lost 13 stone and just came to give my input with regards to the post-weight loss surgery in relation to the obesity surgery that's available in Wales.
Today we were all on the same table in our focus group, and we were looking at the bariatric services as they are now, looking at level 1, 2, 3 and 4. The main benefit of having an event like this, everybody gets to meet other people from different disciplines. I've learned so much from them about other areas within Wales.
If you were to email me out a document for comments or my thoughts on it, I possibly wouldn't have the time to comment on it. But to come to an event, even if it's only half a day, I am more likely to come, give my opinion, and I think because we work in a multidisciplinary field in obesity, we all come from a different angle. A dietitian will have a different opinion to a nurse, a different opinion to a patient, a different opinion to a consultant, and they're all valid. So in an event like this, they're all voices are heard.
I think the importance for me for attending today has been twofold. First of all, as a patient, I get an opportunity to voice my opinion with regards to services provided by the NHS and services that I need. My insight as a patient could actually help improve things for other people as well as myself.